Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to bypass the app you're trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified application here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to perform is at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, okay, let me just edit my typo. Type settings, and the moment you have typed it, proceed with the best match and go with open to continue. And after that, you would be redirected to the settings itself. Okay. Here at the settings, you need to go with the application options, which is next to personalization in my case, being placed at the left side of the screen. Tap on it and go with the second options under apps, which is advanced app settings. Just have to tap on it once again. And here, you need to look for choose where to get apps. Again, look for choose where to get apps. And here, aligning to that, you would be able to see an option where you can click this down arrow and click on anywhere. Now, the reason why you get an error is that you set the Microsoft Store only, which is the recommended one. Just go with anywhere, okay? And once you have set it, you need to close this window and try to install again the application that you want to install here in your Windows or computer. I'm sure it will be installed this time. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.